So just got home. I'm gonna put this in Marla's room. I got my computer from the computer store, as you can see. I think I showed you guys when I went there, and he gave me a new battery, and he replaced like the bottom part. Try not to scratch your desk. He replaced these little stoppers for me because mine was a little, they were struggling. I got a new battery. I got a new DVD player insert. He gave me a new one of those, and then he replaced something else and took a lot of stuff off of my laptop too that was causing it to run slow. So if there's anybody out there that has a laptop that might be like not one of the newer ones, I think this is from 2011 or either 2010, so it's not a new one, but it works perfectly fine. If it starts to run slow or the power doesn't want to stay, like the battery doesn't stay, you can actually get this fixed. You don't have to try to sell it to Best Buy for like $50 because they basically are ripping you off. Try to get it fixed because in the long run you will be saving more money. And even if you are trying to buy like a new computer and you have one, I still would say keep it because I think these can always be updated or fixed in the long run. So yeah, I'm giving this one to, well, I'll say I'm giving it to her, but I'm gonna let her share this with me. She'll be using it mostly, but if I go out to like a meeting or something, then I'll use it. But for the most part, I'm gonna let Marla keep this in her room so she can practice like her learning and typing games and stuff like that for school. So I wanted to get this fixed so she can also have something to practice on too. My phone case came in today. This is from Casetify. So I just wanted to give a shout out because they've been so nice with helping me with my issue. So I have a 10S Max, and I ended up buying another iPhone. I got an XR, but then I went back and just decided I was gonna keep my Max that I have. So this phone case was for the XR. I wanted to open it up and show you guys, but I'm not sure if they'll take it back if I open it. So I'll show you when I get the one for this phone that I have now. It just has my name on it, and I think it's black. I can't remember. I think it's a black case or maybe clear. But the customer service there was so nice, and they were fast at responding to me. So like I wanted to just tell about how nice their team was and making sure that I got this taken care of fast. So they were just telling me to send this one back as soon as I got it. So I just got it back today, and I got it after it was time for the mail. So I'm just gonna send it off early in the morning, and then hopefully I can get my new case sent out to me. I went ahead and opened up the Casetify box. I don't think I'm gonna give it back. I think I'm gonna actually give this to somebody else. My mom actually, she said she didn't mind having it even though it had my name on it. For right now, she has a phone case, but I just told her this one was so much sturdier, and I don't wanna wait to have to send this back to get my other one. I'm just gonna order another one because I feel like I'll get it back faster. So I'm just gonna keep this. She said she knows what her name is and didn't matter. So she's just gonna use this one for right now. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop online and order another one in a second. So this is the Upcycling in 3 Easy Steps kit from thredup. You order a clean out kit, send it off, and then you get cash or credit depending on what you send in, how old it was, and the brand. So when you get the clean out kit, you fill it with high quality items from any brand. Then you send it off. You leave it for your mail carrier to drop it off. Use FedEx or USPS, and then you get paid for the items when they sell. So thredup has a quality standards, like a set of guidelines that you can go through and look at. So they're only allowed to accept about 40% of items average. In the kit, you have to have no signs of wear, no damage, and no alteration. So they want anything fading, something that's been shrunk, missing, broken parts, rips or stains or odors, and missing size information. Like if they're going to resell this to somebody else, it needs to be in good condition. So make sure and keep that in your mind whenever you're sending clothes into them, because those clothes won't sell. You're probably better off giving those clothes to like a Goodwill or Salvation Army or something like that, where there's somebody in need that you want to give those clothes to for free, but definitely don't send anything in like that you want to sell. Good morning. Do you guys have the, okay, I see you have matcha lattes now. Can I get that, please?
What size?
Can I get a small, and I would prefer mine to be iced. Do you guys have almond milk or soy milk?
We do. We have almond milk, the small iced matcha latte made with almond milk.
Yes.
What else for you?
That'd be it.
All right. We'll see you at window.
Thank you. All right, so I have to give it to them. This is pretty good. It was $4 for the small, and I got mine with almond milk, but it's pretty good. It almost tastes as good as Starbucks. I was expecting it to be a little off because sometimes, for some reason, Dunkin' just tastes not so good sometimes, like semi-nasty, but this is real good. A Windsor packet came in today. All right, I got this in the mail today. These are the shades, I think. Let's see. Nice. And I actually came home to a package from Zara. I love their packaging. So cute. So this is just like a shopper, just so you can have to put like your products in if you don't want to use plastic. So I just went ahead and got this since they were having like a little sale. Just thought that'd be something handy to have. All right, I'm taking a quick trip to Foy. They're a fresh approach to fast food. They have wellness shots, fresh pressed juices, Super Bowls, toast, and smoothies, just to name a few. Today I got a taco, and that's normally like my staple when I go in. So definitely try them out. They're in Mobile, Alabama. They have 2 locations, one downtown and one on Hillcrest. But just to be honest, this location on Hillcrest, I feel like the one downtown does a little bit better of a job with the food because of the price. You expect to have, you know, the amount that you pay for. So I feel like they could work on that with this location. We're actually filling and making the food like a little bit heavier. But other than that, I think they're doing a good job. So be sure to go check them out. All right, next thing on the list is we're gonna do Lowe's and Walmart, I think, today. We're gonna look up some things to see what we can find because we're starting a garden. So a lot of people in my family have gardens already, but I think it's time for me to kind of do my own thing. So I got permission from my dad, and he said that I could plant at his house. I live in an apartment, so I don't really have that much space. So I think it's really nice of him to let me use his home as a place to grow my garden. My auntie, grandmother, like a lot of people in my family already have a garden, so I think we want to try to get some things that each other don't have so we can trade and do things like that. I want to talk to you guys about the Dirty Dozen. It'll probably be in the next vlog because I plan on taking you guys with me as I start buying things for my garden. My mom wanted to buy either a peach tree or a lemon tree. I can't remember which one, but that's something that we came here for today. And then me and my sister are gonna go to Walmart. I think she wanted to get like a aloe vera tree. I have one of those, and my younger sister has an aloe vera tree. And if you, a plant, I'm sorry. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, you can buy that, and then like you always have it. You can pick off the aloe vera leaves off of it, and then they just grow right back. It's real simple to take care of. You don't really have to do any work to it. So that's something that you guys can like go run and pick up today that I don't really have to go deep in detail with. But the process of this, I think, will take like a little bit of time. And then I'm gonna get some pots because I want to plant some seeds too, and that's something that I probably can keep on my patio because they're super small pots. So I'll show you guys this, I think, towards the end of the video. But this is just to let you know what we're doing here and why we're here looking at all this stuff in the greenhouse. So to end this vlog, I just wanted to show you some of the seeds that you can pick up at Walmart. They're really cheap and the pots are too.